guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Michael, and this channel is Mike Mode Fashion Tutorial. Okay, I want to welcome you once again to this very episode of our tutorial this day. In our last video, we actually talked about how to draft a basic sleeve. Okay, so we know how to draft a basic sleeve right now. Please, if you have not seen that video, please check on the description box below, and you should be able to get the link to give you where you can get this video. Okay, but today actually we are working on the sleeve also today. So what we are going to be doing today is how to draft a shaped sleeve. Okay, talking about those sleeves that has darts. Okay, talking about those sleeves that has that. When we talk about a shaped sleeve, the sleeve can be shaped, enabling it to fit the natural forward posture of the human hand by darting it at the elbow. Okay, using the elbow length measurement on the data sheet. So today we are going to be working on the shaped sleeve. Okay, so this is our basic sleeve we have here. Right now, this pattern, what we have here, okay, everything here is actually valuable. Every line you can see on this sleeve pattern is valuable. But in making my shaped sleeve right now, I would want to trace this out into another paper to be able to draft my shaped sleeve. So at this point in time, I'm going to trace. I'm tracing my sleeve. Following the line meticulously. Okay. I have to trace the grain line. Okay, tracing the elbow line. Tracing the wrist line. Tracing my underwrap line. Okay, at this point in time, I want to trace my cap height. This part is quite curvy, so you have to follow the curve. Okay. All right. So I'll be taking out my pins. Line or about 2/8 of an inch. or quarter of an inch. Okay, quarter of an inch, connecting to the underarm line. We came out quarter of an inch, connecting to the underarm line. Now let's see what we have here. From this point to this point, we have 6.25. So half of that will be 3.1. 3.125. Okay? So from this 3.125, we'll measure about 1 inch. We'll measure about 1 inch. Okay? This is about 1 inch. Coming out about quarter inch, the same quarter we came out at this point. So we connect the line. Okay? We connect the line. So we have quarter inch here, and this is the midpoint between from here to this point. From here to this point, this is the midpoint. From here to this point. What next we'll do again is that we go in by 3/4 of an inch. That is 3/4 of an inch. Okay? And we come down by 3/4 of an inch again. We come down by 3/4 of an inch. So what we do here is now we connect this to this point. Okay? Connecting this to this point. Now this 3/4 of an inch, we come out again here. We come out by 3/4 of an inch here. And we connect from here to here. And finally, to this point, we connect this line. So right now we have our sheep's sleeve. So peradventure we want to sew the sleeve this way. By the time we sew these darts, it gives us that, that posture. It gives us that look. It gives us that enabling fit of the natural forward posture of human hand when we dart it at the elbow this way. Okay, sleeves like this are actually good on garments, okay? Like the English garments and so on and so forth. They are sleeve that moves, that they actually look like the human posture. You understand? It gives you that shape of the human posture because it has a dart at the elbow. It gives you that human posture kind of elbow you need. Okay, at this time we have come to the end of this tutorial. Okay, all right. In our next video, we'll be learning how to actually increase and decrease cap heights or cap ease on sleeves. Okay, we're going to be learning how to remove cap ease or add cap ease to sleeve. Okay, so till I come your way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please comment and give me a thumbs up on this video. Okay, so in our next video, we'll be learning how to increase and decrease ease on cap heights for sleeve. Okay, so till I come your way again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a lovely time. It's been a great time with you. Bye bye.